Oh my god, it is literally 3:33 right now on my time. That is so funny. Okay, 3:33 might be significant for you. What up? I have a secret. I have a message for you. Oh, there's a message coming through. And this is for people. It's a very specific message, okay? This is not for everybody, so please use your discernment. 3:3, okay? Now, there's a momentum picking up around you. It is getting really good right now. There is a momentum picking up around you. It is getting really good right now. There is some really, really good energy here right now, guys. Like, I have goosebumps right now. Oh, I have whole body chills. You don't even know how good it's getting for you. It's not even a song. I don't know why it's going through like that. I think music is definitely significant for this collective. Music might be something that you turn to help you to release energies from your body and to just connect you deeper into your soul too, is what I'm hearing. But it is getting really good right now. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so the momentum's picking up around you, right? And you probably have like a bunch of ideas. That's what I'm hearing. Like, you have plans. You have like a to-do list. And but there's this contradicting energy that like you just want to go play and rest. So there's like this two things. It's like, I need to do this, but I also need to rest and take care of my body, and I just want to play. Spirit wants you to go play. Spirit wants you to go have fun. Your spirit guides are coming in and saying, the work will get done, but you need to have fun. And I'm not saying to not do what you need to do. Prioritize your pleasure and play first. First and foremost, okay? This collective specifically, there's a gift coming in. 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands is in my head right now. Whole body chills. I wish you guys could see the goosebumps on my arm. 8 of Wands is being shown in my head right now. Momentum is picking up quick. There is an offer coming in. And I just heard finances. There are offers coming in finances, job collaboration for some of you, a new job opportunity, an influx and increase in your revenue and things. There's literally job. And now I've just heard arrows of love. So some of you it's love too. Some of you it's love. There might be a lot of heavy energy that you've had to be releasing lately. A lot of stored up emotions from childhood and teenage years resurfacing. You've had to really focus on just tending to your nervous system lately, because the momentum picking up is kind of triggering you, the old timelines of you. There might be like a fear of scarcity. I was just zoomed in on the red shirt that this woman was wearing, and now there's a man coming out of the store with a red bandana. So root chakra, red, security, grounding, staying grounded, energetically grounded, psychically grounded. Yes, going outside and spending time in nature to ground yourself, doing practices like meditation and yoga and exercise to get into your body. Root chakra energy of grounding, but like psychically grounding. Literally, the man's wearing a bandana on over his third eye. Literally, the man is wearing a bandana over his third eye. And what Spirit is showing me is like psychically staying grounded and regulating your nervous system and holding this vibration of trust, of security and stability deep within. There is an influx. There is an influx of opportunity coming in. Oh my goodness. This is a very specific message coming through. You're going to know that this message is for you if you're one of the, I'm hearing, seasoned, spiritually awakened. I'm not saying hierarchy or anything. I'm saying seasoned, like you've been through multiple death, rebirth, having to cultivate safety within, healing your inner child, healing from past lives. I don't know why I'm snapping and talking like that. But it's like you've had to really go through the ringer over the years and like purify your heart and understand how to consciously co-create your reality. Not everybody's going to understand what I'm saying. This is why it's a specific message for people who are understanding that, oh, I am consciously co-creating my reality. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. My mind creates my reality? Oh. And you've had to excavate, dig. You've had to excavate your subconscious mind. You have had to really be in the trenches, is what I'm being shown right now. You had to really be in the trenches and look around and be like, what is happening inside of here that's causing this out here? And because you have done so much inner alchemy and so much work on yourself, you, goosebumps, you are a vibrational match for the dreams that you desire. Your thoughts are crystallizing into your reality. Your desires are crystallizing into your reality. It's happening now. Your reality is being formed by your intentions, by your beliefs, and your actions that you take. Now they're bringing me back to the beginning of the message. So you're aware of how everything is happening in here is creating out there. This is why they want you to be intentional right now with your energy. Ooh, I have whole body chills. You need to be intentional. I'm getting like emotional because like you worked really hard to get to where you are. You have worked really hard to get to where you are. And you don't have to work so hard. You have this to-do list of like what you want to do. And like, that's beautiful. But right now, you need to be intentional with your energy because there's opportunities coming in. I don't know why I'm whispering it, but it's like it's been a secret, but it hasn't been a secret because you've known, because you're cultivating your reality. Holy shit. There are opportunities coming in. There's financial gain coming through right now for this collective, like an increase in your revenue, a job opportunity that's going to pay you higher. You have love coming in. Dream love that you have been desiring for a very long time coming in now, which is why you need to be intentional with your energy. 111 again, which is I'm doing it like in a minute 30 intervals. Anyway, ooh, and I don't know why I want to say white punch buggy also too, because a white buggy that just went by. Anyway, that might be significant. You might see a white punch buggy as you're receiving this message at some point. Being intentional with your energy. Okay, we're bringing it back to that now. Go play, celebrate. Oh yeah. Slow down. Take care of your nervous system. Celebrate, play, however that looks to you. Maybe go painting, maybe go in the park, maybe go out and celebrate and buy a nice meal for yourself. Maybe see some friends and hang out with some friends and have fun. Whatever it is, resting. Some of you I'm hearing just lay down. Just lay down. Lay down. Be in your feminine energy of resting, receiving, playing, in that pleasure, that blissful energy, okay? Because that is so fucking magnetic, and that's what's cultivating this blessing to come. Like, this is a timeless reading. So from the time you watch this video, within the next 2 to 3 weeks, I got goosebumps. I don't usually get times like that, but I just got whole body chills. 111 again. Within the next 2 to 3 weeks, there's something, opportunities in jobs, increase in revenue, love. This is a collective. Take what resonates. Maybe it's both. Ooh. And the last thing I just heard Spirit say is, believe it before you see it to receive it. You deserve this. Believe it before you see it to receive it. You deserve this, okay? You deserve this. This is such a beautiful, sweet, warm and fuzzy energy. So exciting. So treat yourself, take care of yourself, play, have fun, be in the pleasure energy. That list that you have, what you want to get done, it will get done. But right now, just listen to the energies of playing and resting, having fun, and you will know when to take the action. But first, get into that flow, because that is what's magnetic. And you want to be in that energy when you go to create and when you go to take action. And you want to be in this receiving energy. Spirit's just showing me also like receiving. You want to be in this energy to just like, and it's just going to be literally handed to you. 111. Holy shit. It's going to be literally handed to you on a silver platter, on a gold platter, because you are royalty and you deserve this. This is giving queen and king, god, goddess energy. That's what you're dripping in. I am very excited for you. This is such a sweet, warm and fuzzy and exciting energy. And it's like God is holding you. Mama Earth, Father God, Mother Earth are holding you and nurturing you at this time. So they just want you to be their little child and play. And play. You know how the kids, when you were younger, maybe the kids on the block, you would go play with the kids on the block and just not worry about it, and all of a sudden be like, dinner time, here you go, it's served to you. Oh, body chills. Oh, body chills. That's the energy Spirit wants you in. Mother Earth and Father God are holding you. This is the divine hand on this. This is a divine hand. This is a divine dish that's being served. Dinner's here. You don't have to worry. It's just being taken care of. It's just being taken care of. Wow. This is so beautiful. If you made it this far, drop a green heart in the comments. Drop a green heart. I got green jade on and green nails right now. They're really dark in this camera length, but it's fine. It's a green jade color. Drop a green heart. I also just launched the Dove Tribe community page where we meet 2 times a month, and there's a private group chat, private workshops, meditations, everything exclusive for the Dove Tribe. Come join us in there. I have the Reiki Healer bundle now available, and a bunch of other workshops on my website. Or if you want a personal reading, go check out what I offer. And I just launched the Remember Self-Paced program that has all of my workshops and private meditations in there. It is a very powerful portal. It's basically listed in 6 months for you to step up deeper into your power and to become deeper in the alchemist energy, to become a Reiki master and share Reiki with the world, teaching Reiki. There's so much in that little portal, and remember, and I'm so excited to have this available for all of you. So if that's something you're interested, just go check out my website. Everything is linked in the description box over on my Instagram. And I also have, if you don't want to join the Dove Tribe, which honestly I recommend joining the Dove Tribe, because you're going to get access to the community healing circle as well as a private Dove Tribe only community event. So you'll have 2 community events each month for like 25% off of what the ticket is to join my community circles. So whatever resonates with you, I would love to work with you. I would love to be there to hold space with you. If you made it this far, drop a green heart. Spirit's got some gifts for you, and you deserve this. All right. I love you, soul family. Have a beautiful rest of your day, evening, night, wherever you are on this beautiful, glorious planet. Goodbye.